Hi teachers. Wild woods make a fantastic theme for creative writing, as I find in my workshops. I love it and the children love it too. I start by getting the children to think about woods and tell me about any woods that they've been to, or maybe just um, a park with some trees in it, and tell me what it was like, what they saw, what the weather was like, what they did, anything like that. Also, if there are some trees to look out on from the classroom window, all the better. And ideally, get downstairs or wherever, out of the building and into those trees and that outside world, or at least look through the window to really get the feel of it. And then I have pictures to show them as well. I get some off the internet. Sometimes I have a holiday picture to show them. So here are some, which way around is that? Some woods here. They tend to think these ones are like the forest in Harry Potter, spooky and creepy. Um, they might be autumn woods with golden leaves, or just lovely green lush woods like these. I've got lots more pictures, but you know what trees look like. And then we act out, even with older children actually, being trees, being perhaps a leaf floating off a tree or a bud opening. We pretend we're walking through the woods, avoiding thorns and prickles and leaping over puddles and muddy bits. And then we act out some of the different animals, squirrels running up the tree and a mouse running along, perhaps a spider hanging, all sorts of things. And then after all that, the children are pretty much ready to do some writing. So I start them off with something quite relaxed and fun and easy, a spider diagram with a bit of illustration, which I just do myself. This is wild woods can be, it says. I mean, you can just make something like that in your own time and photocopy it, and then they can write on the lines just the one word: creepy, beautiful, sparkly, green, spiky, prickly, twiggy, mysterious, never ending, all sorts of things they could write. And then, of course, you can help them to develop those starters. Perhaps underneath they could do as something with a simile for their favourites, as colourful as a rainbow, as spooky as a haunted castle, as mysterious as a secret hidden lake, many different things, as green as cabbages, fresh crunchy lettuces. And then they can write more from that. I was walking through the something something woods when I saw a, or I'm a rabbit hopping and skipping through the something something woods. They are as something. Or I love the woods in the sunset, or in the sunshine, or in autumn, when they are as something, and off they go. So have fun with that, and you'll be amazed by the wonderful creative ideas they come up with. See you again soon.